Hello and welcome to another Point Park University CMS tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to go over how to create 4 different types of links within the content management system. Those are internal links, links to files, links to external websites, and then we're going to go over how to create anchor links as well. First thing I'm going to do here is go into my editor by clicking the pencil or double clicking anywhere within the dotted box, which is the content area. And I have this test page set up here where I'm going to create my links. My first link I have is Student Life. I'm going to link to the Student Life home landing page on the Point Park website. So first thing you want to do is highlight the text. And one word on link text. You want the words to be as descriptive as possible that you're using to link to any given page or file. We want to try and avoid using nondescript words like click here. By using descriptive words, you let the user know where he or she is clicking, and you also let search engines know what can be found on that page, so it helps in search engine rankings as well. So I'm going to highlight the text I want to be the link, click Insert Link, and then I'm going to select Internal Link because there's a link to an internal pointpark.edu page. That's going to bring up the pop-up window for web pages to link to web pages. And you'll see an architecture of the entire website here. If you want to drill down and find a lower level page, you would click on the page title, but in this case I'm just linking to the Student Life page, so I'm going to click Create Link right next to the title. And you'll see that in the editor the text turns blue, and that indicates that a link has been created. The next type of link I'm going to create is a link to an internal file, a PDF that you've uploaded to the content management system. And this works similar to an internal link. You're going to start out by highlighting the text. You're going to click Internal Insert Link and then Internal Link again. And then up at the top of that pop-up window you're going to click Media Files. And then drill down into the folders where your file has been uploaded. In this case it's going to be under About and then Campus Map. And then I have my PDFs and my JPEG of the campus map here. I'm going to click Create Link next to the campus map PDF. And you'll see that that as well turns blue to indicate that the link has been created. Next link that we're going to create is an external link. Again, I'm going to highlight the text that I'd like to create. The first thing I'm going to do here actually is copy the URL that I want to create the external link out of. So I'm going to, in this case, go over to a website called Blog High Ed. Going to copy that URL, and then I'm going to return to my editor here. I have the text highlighted, so I'm going to click Insert Link and then External Link. And that brings up this pop-up window, the external link pop-up window. And I'm going to paste in my URL. Now the one thing to remember is that this external link pop-up window automatically pre-populates the link type field, which is HTTP in this instance. So I have to remove that from the URL that I copied from the other window. So I'm going to do that now. And then from there I'm just going to click Submit. And again, that link is underlined just to indicate that the link has been created. The last type of link I want to show you is an anchor link. And what an anchor link is rather than linking to another page on the website or another page outside of pointpark.edu, the anchor link links to within the same page that you're working on, just down below in the page. So in this instance, one circumstance where you could use an anchor link is frequently asked questions. You could have a list of questions at the top, each with an anchor link, and it will take you down within the page. So the first thing we need to do is create our anchor. So I'm going to link this frequently asked questions text down within the page here to this frequently asked questions title. And the first thing we need to do here is create the anchor. So I'm going to add my cursor to the very beginning of the line where we want to insert the anchor, and then click the little anchor icon next to the Insert Link menu. And then you want to name your anchor. So in this case I'm just going to name it FAQ You might just want to make it something short, something easy to remember, so whenever we go in and create our links, you can recall that pretty easily. So I'm going ahead and going to click Insert, and you'll see a little anchor icon pop in wherever you inserted your anchor. So what I'm going to do now is actually go back up to the top and create my anchor link. And then once I have my text highlighted, I'm going to pull down the Insert Link menu and click Internal Link. And then the first thing I'm going to do is insert the name of my anchor. So in this case, it'll be FAQ in all caps. It is cap sensitive, so you want to be careful about that. And then I'm going to scroll down to find my test page that I'm working on here. In your circumstance, you would just be finding whatever page that you're working on to insert the anchor links into. So it's test page. And then underneath test page, this is actually the page I'm working on here. It says new page. So I'm going to create link. And there we go. My anchor link has been created, and I'll demonstrate quickly how that will work. Once you've updated it, you can preview it. And just to show you how the anchor links work, I'm going to click Frequently Asked Questions, and this will come up to the top of the screen, because right here is where I inserted my anchor link. Otherwise, there you have it. Internal links, links to files, external links, and anchor links.